Hello, welcome to HD Custom Fabrication. Today I'm going to explain to you how to measure for your adjustable tour pack mount. There's a couple of measurements that we need to know to make sure we get you the proper mount the first time. So what we need to do, if you currently have a sissy bar, what we need to know is the width of the actual sissy bar frame where it mounts. So that would be from here to here. In this case, it's 7.5 inches. Okay, so you want to write that down. Then you can measure the actual side plates. Here we're at 8 inches outside to outside. Okay, and then we need to know from the side plates. If you have detachable side plates, measure from the outside to the outside. Now, depending on the type of fender you have, this could be a little difficult, but to make it easy, if you measure from the outside of the fender to the outside of the side plate, here I have 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches on each side, that's 3 inches. And then we'll measure the width of the fender, which is 7 3/4 inches on this one. So 7 3/4 plus 3, so I'm at 10 3/4 inches. And that drops down to 8. So that tells me my offset is 2 3/4 inches total, or 1 3/8 inches on each side. So we need to know that offset, because we're actually going to change that a little bit. We won't have as much offset as what you currently have. If you don't have side plates, if you can measure the width of your strut cover, or if you have detachable hardware, we need to know the outside of the ring where the detachable side plate would sit. So we just need to be able to figure out what this offset is for you, because the offset that we make, like for instance on this one, is 7.5 inches on the sissy bar. We're going to make that offset a little bit smaller, and the frame for your tour pack mount will actually be 8.5 inches, because we're going to put less offset in here. What that does is that allows the use of the much wider seat, like the Mustang, because if we put this on there, you can see it sticks out well past the side plates. Now, this isn't an issue if you have one of the more typical passenger pillions that's narrow, that sits down in here. But being as this is so much larger, the offset, because the brackets are a little bit wider to give it good solid support so it doesn't rock around on you, we need to do a little bit less offset. Okay? So we just need to know, do you have a narrow seat or one of the larger, more comfy passenger pillions? You have your significant other on a good, comfortable seat. So all those things in combined, make sure we get that information so that when you order your tour pack mount, we can get you the correct one the first time, and then you'll have no problems mounting it up. And later on we'll show you exactly how the tour pack mounts and get that covered for you. So it'll be a piece of cake for you once you get your tour pack mount to install it and be on down the road and enjoying the ride. Thanks for checking us out, and hope you become a very well satisfied customer with HD Custom Fabrications.